Welcome to Adam's Farm Foods. In today's video, we are going to watch a video about how to avoid or minimize pig farming mistakes. My name is Eric, a farmer in Ghana. If you are here for the first time, please do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video with your friends. Starting a pig farm can be overwhelming, but it's one of the projects that can bring great satisfaction and big impact to the farmer when it's done well. When I started mine, I remember the happiness I felt when I started earning money from the sweat and toil. Initially, pig farming for me was experimental because I was more interested in poultry farming. Please check out my video when I first started the description below. By the way, I do also have a poultry farm. I will be bringing you some videos soon. Back to pig farming. Pig farming is a serious business that needs time, attention, and hard investment. But it is also a business that you can start slowly and grow into it. You should avoid taking on more than you can handle. For example, if you do not have the funds to run 10 pigs, start with 1 and grow slowly. Educate yourself in pig farming by either visiting other pig farms, obtaining knowledge through my videos. Find ways of learning through other people's videos or visiting their farms and trying to study with them. Find your food source. The food source should be sustainable. That is, where you get your feed from, you should be able to go back there consistently and the food should be available. Provide pigs with good water. Avoid leaving the pens dirty, as this will be a source of germs that can lead to the animals falling sick. If you have a concrete floor, make sure you water the floor regularly and disinfect the floor so that you don't get germs creeping into your farm. If your floor is not cemented and you have straw bales or sawdust on your floor, make sure you add fresh ones and try and be turning them periodically. Once a month, twice a month, turn it and then add fresh ones on them. Documentation is critical. Most pig farmers do not take any photos. So, how do you know if you're making a profit or loss? Do you even know how much you spent on the animals per month? It is very good to develop the habit of recording anything related to the business from the onset because it will give you an idea of how much you spent on the animals, how long it's taking you to reach market weight, and how much you should sell these animals for. The major areas that you need to take into account when it comes to recordings are as follows: food, water, medicine, transportation fuel, salary, and utilities. Now, let's tackle these key areas one by one. Food. Record all average food intake for all your animals. Water. Where are you getting the water from? Are you buying the water or you're getting it for free? Remember, you are in business to make money and not buying water. Medicine. Make sure you stick to the vaccination schedules and not cut corners. Cutting corners always end up costing you more. You could end up losing all your pigs and start from scratch or give up your business venture altogether. Transportation and fuel. A lot of people forget to take into account transportation of their animals and even yourself, and do not make any financial plans for them. It is advisable to document everything you do on the farm, including transportation and all fuel used on the farm. Salary. How much are you paying yourself? I know you have just started a business and do not have any income coming in, but how are you supposed to survive? Make sure your business plan include ways of paying yourself, and if you have any employees, how you are going to pay them. If you already have a job and piggery is maybe a side job and you want to build into it slowly, make sure you don't just give up your job whilst you start the business. Make sure there should be some sort of income coming in to keep you afloat while the business is off the ground. Utilities. Are you using electricity on the farm? If you are, how are you going to pay the bills whilst you are still in experimental state? Make sure you include how to afford all this in your financial business plans. So, at the end of every month, do your calculations and divide by the number of animals on the farm. It will give you an idea of how much you are spending on each pig per month. You can go the extra mile to prepare an income statement for your farm at the end of the year. Handle your piglets well. If you're operating a farrow to finish pig farm, then you ought to handle your piglets well, because that is one area most farmers overlook. Most farmers lose piglets roughly about a third of their piglets due to numerous reasons. Sows eating all the piglets, sows sleeping on the piglets, and a lot of funny reasons. However, I believe that losing piglets can be minimized through proper management practices. If you have to construct or invest in a farrowing crate, do so, because it will save you a lot of piglets. Thank you for watching the video. I am sorry, but I have to split the video into two parts because it became longer than I expected. If you are here for the first time, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video with your friends and family. If you have any specific need about pig farming, let me know and I'll answer it in the form of a video. See you in the next video. Thank you.